Excuse me, could you help me? I'm trying to find the City Museum.
Sure. Are you walking or do you have a car?
I'm walking. I have a backpack, but I'd prefer to go on foot if it's not too far.
It's pretty close. If you walk, it will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Start by going straight down Oak Street.
Oak Street. Straight ahead. How many blocks is that?
Go straight for 2 blocks until you reach the big bakery called Sunrise Bakery on your right.
Sunrise Bakery. Got it. After the bakery, then what?
After the bakery, cross at the pedestrian crossing, then take the second street on your left. That's Market Lane.
Second Street on the left. Market Lane. Is there anything I should look for there?
Yes, walk down Market Lane and you'll see a small fountain. Keep going past the fountain. The museum is across from it, next to a red brick building.
Across from the fountain, next to a red brick building. Sounds easy. Is it wheelchair accessible?
Yes, there's a ramp at the museum entrance. Also, the sign above the door says City Museum in big letters, so you can't miss it.
Great. Is there a shorter way by bus?
You could take bus number 7 from the stop at the corner. The stop is right here, across from the post office. Get off at Museum Stop. It's only one stop.
One stop? That sounds quick. Do I need exact change for the bus or can I pay by card?
You can tap a contactless card on the bus or buy a ticket from the machine at the stop. Most tourists use contactless. It's easier.
Thanks. If I take the bus, which direction should I face?
Wait until you see the bus heading towards downtown Central. The front display shows the route. If in doubt, ask the driver, "Does this bus go to the City Museum?"
Okay, I'll check the display or ask the driver. What about the subway? Does it go near the museum?
Yes. Take the green line to Central Station, then change to the blue line for 2 stops. Use exit 3 on the blue line, and it's about a 5-minute walk from there.
Exit 3 at the blue line. Walk 5 minutes. Do the signs in the station show exit numbers?
They do. Look for white signs with black numbers. Also follow signs that say museum or a museum icon. The station is well signposted.
I see. Is there a taxi stand nearby if I have heavy luggage?
Yes, there's a taxi rank by the post office. If you have heavy bags, I'd recommend taking a taxi. It's faster and more comfortable.
How much would a taxi cost roughly to the museum?
It's very close, so it should be a short fare. Maybe around $5 to $8, depending on traffic.
That's reasonable. Are there any tricky one-way streets on the walking route?
Good question. Oak Street is 2-way, but Market Lane is 1-way for cars. Pedestrians can walk both ways, so it's fine. Just watch for bikes.
Bikes. Good to know. Should I stay on the sidewalk or is there a shared path?
Stay on the sidewalk. In some parts, there's a bike lane between the sidewalk and the road, so be careful when stepping off.
If I get lost, is there a landmark I could ask people about?
Sure. Here, you're here. Drag the map north a little and you'll see the clock tower. The museum is just north of it, about 400 meters.
Old clock tower. Okay. Can you point it out on my map?
Yes, ask for the old clock tower or the central fountain. Most people will know those.
I don't have mobile data. Is there any free Wi-Fi spot nearby?
There's free Wi-Fi at the cafe next to the bakery. Ask for the password at the counter.
Perfect. One more question. Are there any safety tips for walking there at night?
At night, stick to the main streets and well-lit areas. Avoid narrow alleys and be cautious around late-night bars. If it's late, take a taxi.
Thanks, that's helpful. Do you think the museum will be open if I go now?
The museum usually closes at 6 p.m., but on Thursdays it's open late until 9 p.m. Check the notice at the entrance.
Oh, lucky me. I planned this trip for today. How much is the entrance fee?
Regular adults are $12, students $8, and sometimes there's free entry after 5 p.m. But double check the sign, rates can change.
Thanks, I'll check the sign. Would you like a postcard from the museum?
That's very kind of you, but no need. Enjoy the museum and have a great visit.